In this video, you will learn how to grab any character or any chunk of characters from a string using indexing and slicing, two of the most useful string tricks in Python. A string is really just a sequence of characters, and Python gives each one a position number called an index. Knowing that, you can reach in and pull out exactly the character or slice you need. We start by storing the string Python in a variable called s. The string has 6 characters: p, y, t, h, o, n. Inside the print call, s open bracket 0 close bracket asks for the character at position 0, which is p, because Python always starts counting from 0, not 1. Next, s open bracket -1 close bracket counts from the right end of the string. -1 always means the very last character, so here it returns n. Finally, s open bracket 0:3 close bracket is a slice. It starts at position 0 and goes up to but not including position 3, giving us pyt, which spells pyt. Running the program prints p, then n, then pyt, exactly what we predicted. Each result comes from a different indexing or slicing expression on the same string. You can add a third number called the step s, open bracket 0:6:2 close bracket, takes every second character, giving pocto, and s open bracket ::1 close bracket reverses the whole string. With a step of 2, we get p, t, o, every other character. With a step of -1, we get the whole string reversed. The step controls how Python moves through the characters. The most common beginner mistake is forgetting that the stop index in a slice is not included. If you write 0:3, you get position 0, 1, and 2, not 3. To recap, use square brackets with a single number to grab one character, use a colon to slice a range, and add a second colon plus a step to skip or even reverse. These 3 patterns unlock almost everything you need to work with strings.